Hi friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max. This is 9th class on relations and functions of class 11. In this class, we will learn the definitions of domain, codomain and range of a relation. You consider R is a relation from A to B. When R is a relation from A to B, then which one is called domain of the relation? You see, what is domain of the relation? The set of all first elements of ordered pairs. The set of all first elements of ordered pairs in relation R is called domain of the relation. We'll understand this more clearly with an example. But first let me complete all the definitions. What is codomain of the relation? R is a relation from A to B. Then the set B, the whole set, the full set B is called codomain of the relation. However, we can understand this very clearly with an example. First, let me complete all the definitions. What is the next one? Range of a relation. What is range of a relation? The set of all second elements of ordered pairs in relation R is called range of a relation. Now, we'll get more clarity about this domain, codomain, range with an example. In this example, I am considering set A as 1, 2 and set B as 3, 4, 5. Okay. From this, what is A cross B? I'll write A cross B. Now, I'll consider a relation from A to B. You observe here, I consider a relation R from A to B. What is the definition of relation that we learned in last class? All the elements present in R are present in A cross B. You see, order pair 1, 4 is in A cross B. Order pair 1, 5 is in A cross B. Order pair 2, 5 is in A cross B. Here, R is a subset of A cross B. We know that if R is a subset of A cross B, then R is called relation from A to B. So here, it is a relation from A to B. Is a relation. It is a relation from where to where? It is a relation from A to B. Now the point is, what is the domain of this relation? What is domain of this relation? As per the definition, what is domain? The set of all first elements of order pairs. In the relation, you observe, in this relation, set of all first elements, please observe here, 1 is the first element and 2 is the first element. 1 is the first element and 2 is the first element. The set of all first elements of ordered pairs in a relation R is called domain of the relation. So, what is domain of the relation here? Domain of the relation is 1. Again 1 is there, no need to write it again. 1, 2. What is this? This is domain of the relation. Okay. Now, codomain. What is codomain of the relation? You see here, if R is a relation from A to B, set B is called codomain of the relation. Here, R is a relation from A to B, set B is called codomain. So, what is the codomain of this relation? That is set B. What is set B? Set B is 3, 4, 5. This is codomain of this relation R. Now, if we calculate range of relation R. As per the definition, what is the range of relation? The set of all second elements of ordered pairs in the relation R. Set of all second elements, all second elements of ordered pairs. Okay. So here you see second elements 4, 5, 5. What are the second elements we have? 4, 5, 5 again it is there, but we already written 5. So we calculated domain, codomain and range of this relation. Okay. Now we will try to understand this with one more example. Now you observe here, I consider a relation R1. You observe order pair 1, 3 is there in A cross B? Yes. Order pair 1, 4 is there in A cross B? Yes. Order pair 1, 5 is there in A cross B? Yes. All the elements present in R1 are present in A cross B. So R1 is a relation or not? Yes. R1 is a relation. It is a relation from where to where? It is a relation from A to B. R1 is a relation from A to B. Okay. Now, I want to calculate domain, codomain and range of this relation R1. What is domain of this relation R1? What is the definition of domain? The set of all first elements of order pairs. You observe what are the first elements of order pairs? 1, 1 is there. So, here what is the first element of all order pairs? First elements of all order pairs is 1. So, domain of this R1 is 1. Now, I'll write codomain. What is codomain? You observe here, if R is a relation from A to B, then set B is called codomain of the relation. Here R1 is a relation from A to B, then what is codomain? Codomain is set B. What is set B in this example? Set B is 3, 4, 5. So codomain of this relation R1 is B. Now I'll write range of R1. As per the definition of range, what is range? The set of all second elements of order pairs. The set of all second elements of order pairs in the relation is called range of the relation. You observe here in R1, what are second elements of order pairs? 1, 3, 4, 5. So what is its range? Its range is 3, 4, 5. Luckily, in this problem, codomain and range of this relation is same, but it is not necessary for every problem. For this relation, codomain is same as range.